back to my channel. Long time no see, because I haven't made a video in like a couple months. We not gonna talk about that though. We just gonna jump right back into it. Like, I've been making videos this whole time. Anyway, are y'all ready for this video? Are y'all ready for this video? Because these shoes, y'all, these shoes. Let me start off by saying I'm not keeping these shoes, and I'm pissed about it because they're not my size. They're a men's size. So unfortunately, I have to sell them, but y'all thought I wasn't gonna do a review on them before I sold them? Come on now. So I'm not gonna say too much. I'm gonna just jump right into this video in this shoe. So yeah, y'all ready for this review? Stay tuned. So this is the shoe. So I got this shoe on sneakers. You know, sneakers, they started doing like draws recently. So I entered the draw for these, of course, and I got them, and I just couldn't believe it because first of all, when I finally get a dunk, it's not my size. Second of all, I get a dunk that's like super like different, rare, whatever, not my size. I'm pissed, like. So yeah, I got these. These are men's 10.5, but y'all, these shoes are cold. Like, look at these shoes. Like, they're so tough. Like, they're so tough. Like, so detailed. Like, everything about them is just so tough. Like, and I just peeked the zipper. I mean, the tongue has a zipper right here, so you can unzip the tongue. And it's something inside the tongue. I'm not gonna pull it out just because I am selling these, so I don't want to tamper with them too much. But like, the tongue is unzippable, and it's like some type of bag or something in there. Like, if y'all know what it is, let me know, because I honestly don't know what's in there. But yeah, that unzips on both shoes, I believe. But yeah, these are super hard. There's a lot going on in this shoe. These are definitely not an everyday shoe, but these are definitely like a pop-out shoe if you want to, like, you know, pop out. So yeah, of course I got these for retail, $110. And I'm actually looking at a couple offers as we speak as to selling these, letting these go. I really want to keep them, like, even though they're not my size. It sounds stupid, but I really want to keep them just because they're so cold, and I'm so mad that they're not my size. But it's really pointless to keep them. I mean, I could keep them in my collection, but it would be pointless, so I'm gonna let them go, even though I really do want to keep them. But yeah, y'all, these are super cold. Super cold. StockX, they're going for pretty good resale prices. I'm hoping to get at least a $200 profit from these. I'll be happy if I get a $200 profit, which I'm looking at that or even more. So yeah, these are looking good on the resale side. If you guys do have these and are reselling them, they're looking good. Check StockX and places like that for how these are looking. But yeah, these are looking really good on there. As far as the box, they just came in a regular Nike box. This is what the box looks like. You know, regular Nike box. The little tab says the size and the price and all of that. Nothing major. And then yeah, the shoes come in the box like this. I can't believe how tough these shoes are, y'all. Like, just looking at them is just making me mad because I know I can't keep them for myself. Like, I wish I had like a boyfriend or something, because I would literally keep these and just give them to my boyfriend. Like, here you go, boyfriend. So yeah, y'all, that was the little initial review on these dunks. I can't guarantee I'll have them, but if anybody who's watching is interested in purchasing them, you can definitely contact me on here or on my social media, preferably my social media, and that'll be linked down below. So you guys can contact me if you do want to purchase these, but there are no promises that they'll be here because I might sell these literally after I finish filming this. So you can still reach out if you want, because there's not a 100% guarantee I'm going to sell them. So it's not a 100% guarantee that I'm going to sell these, but I would say it's about an 80 to 85% chance that I'm going to sell these once I finish filming this video. But like I said, you're more than welcome to contact me and ask, and I'll let you know if they're sold or not, if you do want to purchase these or are interested in purchasing these shoes. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to follow me on all my social medias. Remember to like this video, share with your friends, subscribe. Let me know your thoughts in the comments about these shoes. If y'all messing with them, if y'all think they're doing too much, let me know. The comment is open for debate. But yeah, like I said, remember to follow me on my social medias. I'll all be linked down below. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.